Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi G20 Lite vacuum cleaner. Although it comes in quite a large box, the vacuum cleaner itself weighs only 1.6 kilograms, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There is product information printed on every side of the box. After opening the box, the first thing you will find is the main extension tube of the vacuum cleaner. It has connections for both the airflow and the electrical power, carrying electricity from the battery to the power brush head. After lifting out the cardboard tray, you will find all the remaining parts and accessories. First, there are the user manuals and warranty documents available in multiple languages. If you are using the vacuum for the first time, it's worth reading through the manual carefully. This is the main power unit of the vacuum cleaner. It contains the motor, the battery with LED battery level indicators, the dust collection bin, the power mode selector, the power button, and the connection point for the extension tube and accessories. Next is the power brush head. It receives power from the battery through the extension tube and has its own motor that spins the brush roller. Here is the battery charger. It's a standard AC to DC power adapter with a 22 volt 0.5 amp output, a cable that's about 2 meters long, and a 3.5 millimeter barrel connector. The next accessory is the narrow crevice tool. It's designed to reach tight spaces and corners, and it includes a sliding brush attachment that can be extended or retracted whenever needed. The vacuum cleaner also comes with a wall mount kit. It includes 2 plastic brackets along with screws and wall plugs, allowing you to mount it securely on the wall. This provides a convenient place to store the vacuum cleaner when it's not in use or while it's charged. Assembly is very simple. Just connect the main power unit to the extension tube, then attach the powered brush head. Everything clicks securely into place. Now let's see it in action. It takes a few moments to get familiar with the controls, but once you do, it's very easy to operate. There are two power levels, standard and high, and a power button to start and stop the vacuum cleaner. The rest is pretty straightforward. My first impression is very positive. It works well and is easy to use. We have two dogs that shed a lot of hair, so this vacuum cleaner will be really handy for quickly cleaning the rooms throughout the day. Here is a closer look at the powered brush roller. As you can see, it spins continuously while cleaning, making it very effective at picking up hair, dust and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Emptying the dustbin is also quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow for more unboxings, reviews and hands-on tests. See you in the next one.